friends, this is Simran here. I am studying in first PUC. Today I am going to teach you the periodic table classification. If we go back to our ancient time, according to Veda, there were 5 elements. They were earth, water, fire, cloud and air. So later on in 1829, a first scientist, Johann Wolfgang Dobler, proposed the law of triads. He found out some elements and he put them together according to their similar properties. He took 3 elements and named them as triad. So, according to his law, it states that the properties like atomic mass, melting point or boiling point of the middle element is the mean of the first and the third element. Do you think it is complicated? No, it's not at all. I'll tell you with an example. Let's take the first triad, which is lithium, sodium and potassium. Let's take the atomic mass. Lithium with the atomic mass 7 and potassium with atomic mass 39. If we add them both and divide it by 2, we get 23. That is sodium. Later on, in 1865, there came Newland. He proposed the law of octaves, which stated that every first element resembles the 8th element. What do you mean by this? Yet, all elements were not discovered. There were only few elements which were arranged 8 in a row. He took in the first row lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. And the next one, sodium, came to the next line, next row, which means lithium and sodium had similar properties more than the others. This stated the Newland's law, that is the law of octave. Next comes the Mendeleev's law, which was proposed by Mendeleev in the year 1869. It stated that the properties of the elements are the periodic functions of the atomic mass. He arranged the elements in the increasing order of the atomic mass. It consists of 8 groups and 10 periods. Here, in this Mendeleev periodic table, there was a diagonal relationship between the elements, like example, potassium and copper. They both had more similar properties than others. So there were many diagonal relationships in this law. Each and every group is divided into 2 subgroups. There were 3 triads in the Mendeleev's law. He left place for the new elements to be yet discovered. After such a lot of discoveries, at last we got our modern periodic law. This law was proposed by Moseley. The modern periodic law states that the properties of the elements are the given functions of their atomic numbers and electronic configuration. What do you mean by this? In the case of Mendeleev's law, he arranged all the elements in the increasing order of the atomic mass. But here, in the modern periodic law, Moseley arranged all the elements in the atomic number. So, do you think who is clever? Do you think it's Moseley? Yeah, Moseley was too intelligent. Only the thing, he replaced atomic mass into atomic number. But it was not so easy. He had to do many discoveries, researches and etc. to find out the atomic number of the element. He arranged the metals and non-metals as separate. Lanthanides and actinides were later separated and made SPDF block, which consists of S block consists of metals, D block consists of metals and non-metals, P block consists of non-metals, and F block, which are the lanthanides and the actinides, are set in the down. Because they are down, so a modern periodic law is short. Otherwise, a modern periodic table could extend so wide that we need 2 pages to write it. So hope you have enjoyed it and you have liked it. Thank you.